Are you tired of spending too much time slicing vegetables? Today we're looking at the Geedel Mandoline Slicer to see if it's a smart addition to your kitchen. This Mandoline Slicer is designed for quick and consistent slicing. It includes interchangeable stainless steel blades that let you slice, julienne, and shred vegetables with ease. It also comes with a safety handguard to help keep your fingers away from the blade. It works well with cucumbers, carrots, potatoes, onions, cabbage, and many other fruits and vegetables. The collection container helps keep your work area cleaner while preparing meals. If you prepare salads regularly or enjoy meal prepping for the week, a Mandoline Slicer can save time while producing even slices. Remember that the blades are very sharp, so always use the hand guard and follow the manufacturer's safety instructions. Our review found the Geedel Mandoline Slicer to be a practical kitchen tool for home cooks looking to prepare vegetables more efficiently. If you'd like to read our complete review and check today's price, you'll find the links in the description below.